Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money like this only by watching videos on YouTube in 4 easy steps. Want to earn up to $5 or even $10 per YouTube video? This secret method of making online money is a perfect way to make an extra $200 to $400 a day. Let's do some quick math. 5 viewed videos could make you up to $25, 15 viewed videos could make you up to $75, and 40 viewed videos could make up to $200 to $400. It's all up to you because there are no limits to how many videos you watch per day. You only need a smartphone or laptop to create this new daily income. Welcome to the Empire. We hope you have a great day and enjoy our video. Let's start right away with step 1. We're going to go to YouTube and sign into our account. I guess most of you already have a YouTube account, but for the ones who don't, check out the top right corner of your screen and click on Sign In. Next up, we'll be able to see the Create Account button. After clicking on this button, you'll get redirected to a page where you can fill in your details. Once everything is filled in, you'll need to confirm your account by accepting the confirmation mail in your mailbox. Now your YouTube account is made, let's go back to the platform. On the left side of our screen, we see the Explore section with various categories including trending music, movies, gaming, news, and sports. For this video, we're going to go with gaming. Now we see several viral games such as Minecraft, Valorant, Sekiro, and Mobile Legends. Our money-making method is possible in all games, but as an example for this video, we're going to go with Minecraft. Now we're seeing some popular live streams and videos of Minecraft. Next, we're going to filter on worldwide instead of regional. Now we see the most viral videos about Minecraft around the world and not just for our region. For now, we leave this step open and move on to the next step. In the next step, we are going to 7or6.com. You can get started with 7or6.com in 3 simple steps. Create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. Before creating an account, let's have a look at what 7or6 is all about. This free tool allows you to shorten links and paste you per click on Assurance Link. You earn money for every click, and the website behind the link gets all payments. All payments are made through PayPal, and there's a low minimum payout of $5, which means you can get paid daily as soon as you have a minimum of $5 in your account. On top of this, they offer the highest rates of all URL shortening tools and have a dedicated support team to help you with all your questions. Which URLs will shorten and where we'll post these URLs, we'll see in the next step. First, we are going to create our account on 7or6.com by clicking on the sign up button at the top. Now we have to choose a unique username, provide an email address, and give a password. After that, we accept the terms of use and privacy policy and click on register, login, and access the interface of 7or6.com. Now we click on new shortened link at the top left and get redirected to a dashboard to shorten our link. Great, now we return to our first step with viral YouTube videos and live streams. Now let's click on the most vital video. Below the video, we'll click share, and then we'll see the URL of this YouTube video. Now press copy and return to 7or6.com. Now paste the copied URL into the first field and name your video with the relevant title. The expiration date is left open so that the link never expires. This way, the link will always work and always make money for you. As a final step, we now click on shorten. Repeat this process as many times as you want. Because of more shortened URLs, the more chance you have of making money with this method. You can also possibly use a shortened URL from a live stream, but then you have to post the shortened URL right away in the way we are going to show now. Before we move on to the last and most important part of this video, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you think of this online money-making method. If you currently have any questions, be sure to watch the first part of this video again or put your question below in the comment section. Now we move on to the final part of our video. Considering we have chosen the gaming category and we have shortened URLs of trending gaming videos, we want to publish our shortened URLs where many gamers come together. Let's go to the last platform of our video, steamcommunity.com. On this platform, all gamers come together to discuss their favorite games. Minecraft is a game with a huge community and thus also has a huge reach on steamcommunity.com. Our next and final step is to publish our shortened URLs in discussion groups, where sharing this content is highly appreciated. Before we can post our URLs, we need to create an account on this platform as well. At the top of the page, we see a green button called Join Steam. After clicking on it, we can enter our email address and country of residence on the next page. Then we tick the I'm not a robot field, confirm our age, and click on Continue. Next up, we need to verify our account through the verification email that Steam has just sent us. Then we return to the home page and click on Community, and then Discussions. Now we enter Minecraft to search for all related discussions. As you can see, there are numerous discussions about this game. Next, we will paste our shortened URLs into as many discussions as we like. As this is relevant content, this will not be considered spam. This way, you increase your chances of getting as many clicks, website visits, and eventually money in your PayPal account. Great. Now you're all set to start earning up to $400 or more per day by watching and sharing YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content about making money daily. See you next time.